So many of you have asked me about my skincare routine. So I'm not an expert on this, but I'm going to share what I do personally just because you asked. So I've been very, very careful about taking care of my skin my whole life. I had the worst acne growing up, like you can't imagine, until I changed my diet at the age of 30 when I finally got rid of my lifelong acne. But I love to use natural products. I wash my face at least twice a day, first thing in the morning and right before bed. I always start with some kind of gentle cleanser, like an oil or a gel base, and I make sure that there's no chemicals and as clean and natural as I possibly can get. And then I always follow up with some serums. I've been very big into serums lately. I love a hyaluronic serum, and I've been using lately a vitamin C serum for the pigments. And at night, sometimes I will use an ooey gooey, delicious smelling, creamy, ointmenty type, also chemical free. The most important thing too is sunscreen. Make sure you put sunscreen on every time you go outside. I put it on every morning. Even if it's foggy outside, I just always make sure I have sunscreen just to avoid all the damage from the sun. So that's what I do